thanks God the weather is good now. Now I'm with my son in the gym. Done with the gym, got my haircut, new haircut. Now I already get my thingy for my pool. And this video I'm gonna answer some of questions regarding the visa on arrival, the online visa on arrival, etc, etc. Just stay with me, okay? Let's go to it. It's so crazy, guys. 5 minutes ago with sunshine, bright and whatever, and now look, it's raining. It's raining. Just 5 minutes now it's raining. I'm not even out of Denpasar yet. I'm still in Denpasar on the way to Ubud. The rain should be not that heavy anymore. You know why? Look at that. All up there, the sky is blue again. Can you see it? There, the sky is blue again. Even right now, right here, still raining, but there it's blue again. So finger crossed. It's not gonna be heavy and no good. So we can enjoy your food. Yep, my feeling was right. It's not raining. I just about to enter Ubud now, and it's not raining. So my prediction is right. But I don't think it's for long though. Look at that. It's also not that bright anymore. It's kind of cloudy too. But well, we'll see, man. I nearly hit somebody. Oh no. Finally arrived. Finally, I'm arriving in Ubud. My place, Taman Sakti Resort. It's not really raining yet. Yeah, a little bit, look. Can you see it? Maybe you cannot. This is what I just bought. For the umbrella here, you see? Normally there's an umbrella there. But it's broken because the rain's so heavy and everything. So I bought a new one. That's what I bought this morning. The landfalls. Look at the landfalls there. Happened about 2 days ago when there was very heavy rain for a long time, and landfalls. Lucky nothing happened to me in our place. So we can just relax here. Yep. Oops. Yep, you can relax here. Brand new mat and enjoying the pool and the scenery. Okay, now I'm gonna answer some of the questions that I still receive. People get confused about the online visa on arrival online, etc. So remember, there's 46 countries out of 86 countries that can get visa on arrival. Okay, these are all the 86 countries. Okay, these are all the 86 countries that can get visa on arrival at the airport in Indonesia, including in Bali. 46 countries out of that, these countries can get visa on arrival online. It doesn't mean must be online. So it's just another option, some privilege for that 46 countries. Those 46 countries can apply online, by go to this website, the molina.imigrasi.go.id, as I explained it in my previous video, this video, and then you'll receive, after you paid, you'll receive your visa. All you need to do, just print that visa, and then when you arrive at the airport in Indonesia, in Bali, just go straight to the immigration. You don't need to line up at the visa on arrival counter. Just go straight to the immigration and then show that printout, the visa printout. Just show them, and then you will receive little stickers mention the date of your visa expired. So once again, it's not a must, yeah, for the 46 countries. It's just a privilege that you can get to do it online. But of course, you always can do offline by come to the airport and then go to the visa on arrival counter and then buy it there. And then for the second home visa, a lot of people thought that this visa will replace the retirement visa. No, it's a different thing. There is mention in the unfinalized regulation saying that those who have the retirement visa, if it's already after 3 years, they have to convert to the second home visa, but it's not finalized yet. So I suggest wait until the 24th of December when the rule is finalized about this visa. Oh yeah, one more thing about the second home visa. A lot of viewers thought that they have to transfer money like a deposit, like to pay the government 20 billion Indonesian rupiah. No, you don't need to. You don't have to pay no one 20 billion Indonesian rupiah. You just need to have a proof that you have that money in your bank. That's all. It actually is the same like any other kitas, any other visa, like retirement kitas, for instance. You have to show the proof that you have $1,500 in your bank account, or you have to show proof that you have income every month, like pension fund, $1,500 every month. Even the B211A visa, actually you have to show proof that you have fund in your bank, $2,000. So actually even the B211A visa, you need to show proof of some money, but because you do it through visa agency, then it kind of take care of it, you know. Okay, but 2 billion is too much. Yeah, well, that visa is for 10 years. Of course, it's a lot also. But no worries, it's not finalized yet. As I said again and again, the second home visa is not finalized yet. Please wait until the 24th of December when they plan to make it available. And now about the multiple entry visa. At the moment right now, it's only valid to enter through Batam. You know, the island close to Singapore. At the moment, only valid for you who enter Indonesia through Batam, not Bali, not Jakarta. But it is allowed from Batam if you wanted to explore Indonesia. Let's say from Batam you go to Jakarta and then go to Bali and then go to another province. It's allowed. But you cannot go using the multiple entry visa straight to Bali or Jakarta. At the moment, only for Batam. Will we change in the future? Yes, of course. Soon will be also available in Jakarta and Bali, but not yet. I also have a question about regarding the investor kitas and the PMA. Okay, I'm gonna make it clear now. PMA and investor kitas is two different things. To have a PMA, you don't need to have investor kitas. So for you who, let's say you want to open up a business in Bali. Let's say you want to open up a coffee shop or something, but you don't want to stay here in Bali. I mean, you always back and forth to your country or to other country. Let's say you have a lot of business in other countries too, so you don't need to stay here in Bali for 2 years or something. Maybe you only come here to Bali to check your business for 60 days and then you go to other countries to check your business over there and then go to another country to check your business over there. If you are like that, so you don't need to have investor kitas. All you need just to have the PMA, the Foreign Investment Legal Body, which allow you to have a business here in Indonesia. Let's say you appointed, let's say you appointed to me. Okay, I have this business, run it for me. I will come here like every 2 months or something. That's possible. You don't need to have investor kitas. Just have the PMA to have that business. And one PMA can have 8 different business line. Like maybe you have laundry too, you have a coffee shop, you have a transportation business, etc. But to have the investor kitas, you need to have a PMA. So you cannot have an investor kitas but you don't have a PMA. So to have an investor kitas, you need to have a PMA. But to have a PMA, you don't need to have investor kitas. More details, if you want to open a business in Indonesia, send me email, alright? Just send me email. We talk more deep later on. So I think that's all from now. Don't forget to share this video so more and more people know about how to travel to Bali, and hit the subscribe button for those who haven't, and smash the notification bell so you won't miss any update from me regarding how to travel to Bali, how to stay in Bali, especially there's still a lot of updates about the visa. Okay, so until then, my name is Hakim Visa, signing off. Thank you for watching.